Welcome to Rajvi's Fun Club. Today we're going to play with these gears. Do you know why they have broken teeth? It's so you can join another, and when you spin one with the spinning thing on it, they all spin together. Let's start this game. We're going to take these, and do you know what these do? They connect the others to it. And it works like this. So I'm going to put this box here and take one piece out. Let me show you how you play it. And it's just like a big giant L. Can you see my face? Peekaboo! You can't play peekaboo with it either. This is a piece of gear. You know what these lines are for? They're so you can put the gears like this. Now let's start with the pink one. Pink. Pink. See? It's going to spin. Do you know what this is? Let me show you what it does. See? You have to spin it slow. This one will break off. So you do it. I'm going to take these off and do another pattern. We have two more purples. Now we're going to put two more pinks. Now we're gonna make this umbrella. Do you know what these holes are for? You just have to push it in. And it's an umbrella. You can either wear it on your finger. We're going to put it here. See how it spins? You know what? This is a cupcake holder. See these squares? Look! Now we're going to put whatever fits in. And I'm going to turn it and put the white cupcake. See? Now I'm going to put ice cream. 2 ice cream. I'm going to put these 3 lollipops. I think I want to put it here. Or here. Right here is good. Now let's turn it. See how it works? Now I'm gonna Now I'm going to play with it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.